No. No. Did you lie? Yes or no? You're a liar. You came here with a lie, and in front of everybody on video, you're caught lying.
A reporter, journalist, who was in the conference of Sheikh Uthman ibn Farooq was called liar, Islamophobic reporter. Sheikh Uthman ibn Farooq started insulting him, shouting at him, and he was forcefully taken out of that center, that room, pushed away by the other gang members of Sheikh Uthman ibn Farooq. You know why? Because he asked a question. He asked a question to Sheikh Uthman ibn Farooq about his stabbing. And that is why Sheikh Uthman ibn Farooq turned out very aggressive. You know, in his last video, Sheikh Uthman ibn Farooq promised that he is willing to take an interview of his stabber inside the prison. You know, now in this video, he has changed his stance. Now he is saying he is going to Malaysia and making a documentary there about his stabbing. He did this just to divert the attention of his viewers so that nobody may ask him about his stabbing. You know his cunningness? That is what he is continuously doing. Lying, deceiving, deception, following the Sunnah and the best example of Muhammad. Promise breaker, oath breaker, best in lying, best in deception. So he has made another lame excuse, and that is that he doesn't want to show his address to the people. There is no need. There is no need to tell your address. And I want to tell you, you do not have to afraid from non-Muslims. You should worry and afraid from the other sects of Islam. Only Muslims are going to harm you. No non-Muslim is going to harm you. Keep that in mind. And if you want to come out of this mess of lying, promise breaking, deception, you need Jesus in your life, who said, I am the way, the truth, and the life. I am Al-Hadi, Al-Haq, Al-Muhi.